Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for sticking with me during that quick little break. If you weren't here for the first little bit, my name is Mallory West, and this is our KNOE streaming show. So we looked at local news during our last block, our last chunk of news, and now we're going to be moving on into what we can see nationally. And we're actually going to be looking ahead of what we could be seeing this week in politics. Here's Katrin Asaf with a look at that look ahead.
The U.S. Supreme Court has a busy week on its docket. On Monday, the justices will hear arguments about whether Louisiana communities can sue oil companies in state court for damaging the state's coastline. State courts have already awarded several Louisiana parishes $745 million. However, the defendant in this case, Chevron, is looking to move it to federal court. Then on Tuesday, the justices will hear arguments on whether states can ban transgender athletes from participating in sports coinciding with their gender identity. It combines two lawsuits, one in Idaho and one in West Virginia. The plaintiffs argue both states' laws violate federal civil rights laws prohibiting sex discrimination in educational programs and activities, as well as the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. Also this week, President Donald Trump says he'll be hosting Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado. It comes after U.S. Special Forces arrested Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro, but allowed Vice President Delcy Rodriguez to take power, despite Machado's party winning the most recent election. That's your week ahead in Washington. I'm Katrin Asaf.